In this situation, most of the people are losing their jobs due to various types of reasons, so how you will earn extra cash or passive income to survive in this beautiful world from any corner of this world. Now I would like to share step by step how you will get paid $1,000 per day while you sleep, step by step. So this website is called www. Hey, this is Make Money Online. In every single day I upload a video to teach you how to make money online, and if you want to get such types of lots of informative videos from this YouTube channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And if you want to make money online just like this, and keep watching and like, share more and more with your friends. And if you didn't subscribe my first channel, this is called Learning and Earning Tube, and please subscribe also to get all types of informative learning and earning related videos from this YouTube channel. So let's get started. Alright, this website is called digistore24.com. This one is affiliate marketing website. You can choose any types of preferable or trendy niches to promote on different types of websites. So without touching any types of product, you can use this platform to ensure extra cash from any corner of this world, step by step. So if you come over here, you will get this amazing feature about this digistore.com. Most of the people are earning by using this platform. This one is a complete reseller service, and PayPal, Visa card, MasterCard and others preferable cards are applicable for this website, I think. And this one we automate your business invoicing, taxation, customer support and much more over here. And this one is integration. You are looking on this interface. So what should you do? Come here, and after coming here you have to create an account on this platform. First of all, before creating an account on this platform, you have to read all types of answers about their FAQ. I mean frequently asked questions here. Why should I use Digistore24? How does your reseller model your work works in it for me as a vendor? Is it really risk free for me? And you can get lots of amazing answers and whatever you like over here. So first of all, after coming here, you have to create an account. Just click on the right corner of this website, and this one is register now. And after clicking on this page, you'll get this another interface. This one is first of all, you have to provide your username. This one is email address, repeat email address, password, and this one is title here, name, company if you have, and this one is a street address, zip code and country. You can choose any types of country from this list here: Australia, Bangladesh, Canada, New Zealand, United Kingdom, United States, Afghanistan, lots of countries you can work on this website here. So after providing all the information, just click on this box here and click on this register for free now, and you will get the link. This one is link. Click here to activate your digistore24.com, and then you have to open this one and you will get this amazing feature. Just you have to log in. So alright, this is another interface, and after coming here you will get this marketplace. If you click on this marketplace over here, and you will get lots of niches and products or categories on this interface, and you can choose any types of product and whatever you can like. Or as you can see here, first of all, this one is betting and systems, second one is business and investment, third one is computer and internet, dance and music, dating, love and relationships, email marketing, education, family and cares, fitness and health, food and drinks, games and fun. Lots of categories are niches are over here, and you can see here that there are lots of products. And first time, this one is trendy product, I think, overnight millionaire Wesley $1 billion Virgin. This one is 93% commission, and you will get earning from Canada 38 euro 0.60 from here. And this one is price average 30.46 euro, and commission is 93%, and earning per sale 30 8.06 net, and this one is earning a card visitor. This vendor created this one 25 weeks ago, and this one is all the billing types, and also sales rank. This one is number one rank. There are lots of products you can choose from here to promote on different types of free websites. So step by step I want to share, and at the end of this video I want to share simple tricks and tips to create your promotion on different types of websites for ensuring extra cash by using this interface. I'm in digistore24.com. So first of all, if you come to this one, just click on this internet marketing and business over here, and then you will get this product name. First one, this one is tip mastery and monetization mat first auto webinar, and this one is commission 50%, and this one also are details over here. And first of all, after choosing this one, how you will do your how you will start your journey over here. Then if you come to this one, super affiliate system, and this one, press the enter button here, and this one is the first product you can market. You can start your marketing for ensuring extra cash. This one is called super affiliate system 2020 John Christina's course. This one are all the details over here, and this one is a 50% commission, and this one is also earning sale and vendor. This one John Christine, and billing types single payment and installment. What should you do after that? So if you come to this over here, and this one affiliate pages, and after reading all the description about this product, and then you have to come to this interface, and top selling biz of product $997 plus $247 per month and 50% commission over here. And this one is Zabi mail promo, Zabi product backend page, Facebook ads, and YouTube ads. Over here are all the details you can look over here. Zabi commission 500 per sale, average webinar commission, conversation rate 16.5%, average attendee value $133, and automated payouts by clickbank payouts weekly net 3. This one are the total description about the product. So how you will start your marketing to promote this product, now I would like to share step by step. If you come to this website, this is called adclerks.com, and this one is called the free online advertising marketplace. You can choose any types of product over here, and first of all you have to create an account on this website, and these are the MLW games, and this one is impression rate, and this one is per month $25, and this one is impression rate, and also $15, and this one is $1.50, and lots of products are over here. And if you want to know about this adclerks.com, just click on this SEO class, similarweb.com. You will get lots of amazing informations about this website, I think. So first of all, what should you do? You come here, and after creating this account, just you can choose all the categories from here. You can choose adult, affiliate and SEO and marketing, beauty and fashion, business and finance, cryptocurrency, education and career, entertainment and news, all over here. And just if you come to this affiliate and SEO marketing from here, you're watching this interface, and just open this free SEO tool from here, and then you'll get these amazing features about this product over here. And then after coming here, you will get this all the traffics from here. This one is China 48.76%, United States 20.53%, India, Indonesia, Russian Federation, Korea, Republic of. So this one are the traffic source you can get from here, and this one are the statistics about this interface. I mean adclerks.com of free SEO tool. This one are the total description. Then this one is another link. After coming here, you will get this all the features about this interface, and then you are watching this one. This there is an ad, and how you will create this ad step by step. I wanna share just without any types of previous graphic related knowledge or without any types of graphic designing knowledge. You can create this banner freely. So how you will do it? First of all, after coming to this advertise on free SEO tool, and you are watching this one, lots of banner size over here, and this one is 125 to 125, and this one is 300 to 25, and this one is also 725 to 90 size from here. So how you will create this one? First of all, if you get this one from here and come to this another interface, this one is canva.com. Without any types of previous knowledge or experience to create any types of design or banner or documents on various types of platform, you can use this one. First of all, you have to create an account on this canva.com, then create a design, just custom designs over here, just paste weight from here, and then this one is 250 from this one. So create a new design. What is the banner about here? Learn how to make money from home. Learn how to make money from home. You can source from here, just a drag and drop from here this custom design, and then if I just click on this here, and you can edit from here. Just learn how to make money from home. And then you can change the color from here. This one is the changing color, is a color picker you can use from here. Just select this one. I like to use the red color over here, and then drag and drop. Just also you can delete from here. That's it. And you can also increase the alright. This one has been banner to use on this website. So this one is the banner, and I have created this one on canva.com. After doing this, what should you do? And then you have to click on this download button over here, and then select this one, transparent background over here. Then it was downloading, and it has been downloaded. Then boom, this is the best and easiest way to use canva.com for creating any types of banner over here like this. So what should you do then? Finally, after coming here, if you click on this, you'll get this amazing features. This one is advertising banner. If someone or anybody come to this interface and just click on this, boom, this is the best and easiest way to earn extra cash for selling this product easily by using this interface, I think. So this is the best and easiest way to create an account. And finally what should we do? At waitlist, there was an error, network is disturbing, so you can use this one, add to waitlist, and add to waitlist here. And this is the best and easiest way to use this adclerks.com, and all together are also digistore24.com for selling more and more affiliate marketing related products on this interface. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I cordially request to subscribe if you didn't subscribe before, and if you subscribe this one, thank you so much from the core of my heart. and share more and more with your friends. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.